Hey, this is Alex with Platform Support, and in this video, we are going to be talking about adding a feature to your platform. As a reminder, if you need help with this or anything else regarding your platform account, go ahead and reach out to us in support. You can do that by navigating to the Platform Support Hub from inside your creator dashboard and open up a live chat with us or submit a support ticket or check out all the FAQs. You can also check out all the help docs at help.platformarea.com. If for some reason you do not have a platform account, go ahead and start your free trial at platformarea.com right now. Now back to the video for adding a feature. Now this is what your platform site would look like if you do not have any features added at all. Simply navigate to the navigation bar to the left hand side here and click on Add a Feature. Once you're here, you have multiple different features to add to your platform. So let's start from the top. Right here is the program course. This is to help your members if you have a course to teach them. Right next to that is your video channel. This is a decentralized video channel inside your platform where you can create your own rules and guidelines. Add this tool if you want to extend your YouTube channel. Right next to that one would be the quiz. Adding the quiz feature helps you design a unique experience for your members without the hands-on training. For example, if you want to give your members a specific set of instructions that is unique to that particular member, you can do that with this feature without the need to have a one-on-one meeting with them. This truly expedites the answers your members are looking for. And right below would be the calculator. Adding calculator feature will give your members advanced solutions and recipe specific to that individual member. The group newsfeed is an extremely powerful feature you can add. This will create a community within your platform that you can personally control. Approve, schedule, add posts yourselves. This will keep your members engaged and returning to your platform constantly. Next to that one would be the Shopify store. The Shopify store feature, if you sell physical or digital products, this feature is a must to add. This requires you to have a Shopify account to connect. Now, if you do this feature, your members are much more inclined to buy your products since they're already inside your platform and will be exploring your Shopify store. And right below is the support hub. The support hub is where you can have the option to give your support to your members. Do you like coaching people one-on-one? Then this is it. Give your members quick solutions for the issues they may have and avoid getting chargebacks and just simply keeping your members happy. Here in Platform, we're always updating and adding helpful tools for you to use. This also applies for the features as well. So let's do the exciting part now. Say we do want to add a program course. Let's go back up here to program course. Now we are going to click on select. You could check that out, by the way, to make sure that you've added it by clicking right here where it says features, and it's going to be a drop down. And there it is right there. You now have a program course inside your platform. But say you don't want to continue yet. You also want to add other features into your platform. Let's go right back up to the add feature. And you definitely want to add that group newsfeed to keep your members coming back constantly. So click on group newsfeed and click on select. Nice. Now we just added the group newsfeed to your platform. As you can see right here, we have the program course and then the group newsfeed. And say you're not done yet. You want to add something else. You want to go back to add feature and you want to add, say, a video channel. Say you have a YouTube channel and you want to extend your YouTube videos right here inside your platform, or you just want to start a video channel on your own inside platform. You can do that by clicking on the video channel, click on select. Now we have 3 extremely powerful tools inside your platform. Oh, by the way, if you want to view what your program course, your group feed, your video channel, or any new feature you just recently added, if you want to see that from a member's perspective, you can easily do that by going up here to where it says dashboard in the upper left hand of the navigation bar. Click on that And then on the upper right hand corner where it says view your application, this is how you're going to view your platform site that you have built. And you get to check that out as one of the members. So after you click this button, it's going to open up a new window to where you could log in as one of your members. You can make a test member just to check that out. Okay. You log in. And after logging in, you get to check out all of the new features you just added, from the group feed, the video channel, even the program course itself. And that's it. That's how simple it is to add a feature into your platform. Good luck and have fun.